YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell eight partners of them, because we are lady over here. And without further ado, I purchased a few things. They came in. They're either from Temu, Ally, or BH. So let's get into it. And yes, just seeing this video, I recorded it the same day as the other video, and I still haven't did the nail yet because I had to repair them because of y'all needs. So just in case you were wondering. Okay, this is from the BH. Y'all know I'm a fur mom. I'm new to this, but I love getting her stuff and it actually get used. It don't just be sitting there. So I'm just like, you just be buying stuff. No, she actually uses it. So when we're out, because I take her everywhere, I do not leave her at home. That's just me personally. But she's my baby. She can go wherever I can go. And if she can't go, I can't go, and I don't want to go. You feel me? So this, I want to say, it was like 23 bucks. Basically, it's a carrier sling. Because the one that she got, I don't think she really liked it because you have to like put this snap around and then kind of pull the drawstring thing. Yeah, she wants to be loose and close to mommy as much as possible. That's my baby. Y'all know I love Gucci, hey, Gucci bandana. And y'all, it's pretty big. She's a little dog. My babe's only 9 pounds. This is more than enough space, and I can actually put like a little blanket in here for her and carry her in it. You can't make it like longer or shorter, but it's cool because it's just a sling bag, so more than enough. And then I just got it in pink. So I get my baby pink stuff. She's a girl, so she always get pink stuff. And then I got this one and this color just to have and carry her in a sling. And y'all probably saying I'm doing too much, and that's fine. But I know I ain't the only one that does the most for their fur baby. So yeah. Let's see. What is this? This is from the Expressway. Y'all niece got this dress in pink. When she had it on, the girl wouldn't take it off. She was trying to sleep in it, and she loved her little dress. It was so cute. So I went back on there and ordered it in these two little colors. Girl, it's so cute. So yeah, y'all niece, when she likes the outfit, she wears it. When she don't like the outfit, she takes it off. But yeah, she loved the little dress, so I just got her 2 more in those little colors. We gotta wash those. Let's see what this is. And y'all, if you have pets, definitely go on like Temu, the Expressway, and even BH. They got cute stuff for your fur babies. So if you're, you know, looking for cute, reasonable things, you gotta go on there. My mom, like, my baby gotta have a swimming suit because she wants to get her a little swimming pool. Y'all know the little kiddie pool thing. So of course, you know, me being the mom that I am, I had to get her a little itsy bitsy teeny weeny red polka dot bikini. And it has a little bikini thing. Yes. I'm that mom. Yes, I am. What is this? Oh, this is another one I had ordered. Another sling just to have. It's all black. If I want to color coordinate, I think I got this from Temu. You know, just to have, so I can keep one in the car. I ain't keeping them Gucci ones in the car. Ain't nobody about to bust on my windows. No. Keep the black one in the car, and then when we out on the go and stuff like that, because when we go out, I make sure I take her little bag. They got like her wipes, her water bottle, her diapers, her brush, extra food, some of them snackers, because I can't say the T word, because girlfriend will be at alert. So yeah, I always carry a little bag, but definitely those little slings are convenient, because sometimes you don't want to carry a bulky bag. Or I keep her stroller, yeah, she has a stroller, in my trunk. So days where I don't want to log all that stuff around, I could just put her in the pouch. She's on me, on my body. I know where she's at all times. And then it's just easy and convenient. And she's not heavy or anything like that. So it's just easier for me to carry her and, you know, go about my day. She's been to Dollar Tree with me. She does not, you know, she doesn't do anything. She's just a chill dog. She's not, you know, barking or none of that. She just be so chill. And they be like, oh my goodness, I didn't even see her there. She be chilling. And as y'all can see, this says this is a Kurt bag. This is from the Expressway. Even though it's kind of harder to find little stuff on there on the Expressway, because everything is just so, it's not how it used to be when it first started. But y'all, came across this with the gold eagle. Uh-oh, y'all, basically my light went out because the battery died, but we're gonna keep rocking. Kurt Geiger tote bag and the gunmetal hardware. Don't worry, y'all, I'm gonna try to fix up the lighting so it can still come out clear. And inside it says Kurt Geiger. Has a pocket back here, and it actually has like a little thing that says that, and it's just a nice tote bag. It's not too big, not too small, just right, with the gold eagle head, so I like that. And then this last one is from Temu. This is for y'all niece. Y'all know my baby, she sleeps in the bed with me. Hi, poo-poo. Mommy almost done. She wants to cuddle. My baby, she's a cuddler. She loves cuddling. But yeah, my baby, she sleeps in the bed with me. So anybody that says dogs don't belong in the house and they darn sure don't belong in beds, babes, save drop them for your mama. They call these, if I'm not mistaken, I don't want to say it wrong, incompetency pads. Basically, it helps with, you know, if you have like leaking, because some people, you know, have, you know, weak bladders or whatever the case may be, or, you know, when you're on your menstrual, you don't want to mess up your sheets. Basically, it catches it. It's water absorbent, catches it, whatever the case may be. So, got my boo-boo one, so I'm gonna put this on my bed, because she lays like at the foot of the bed, and I always keep a blanket there. I cover her up and stuff. She likes to, you know, if we have the fan on, I put her cover on, or she be chilling. Girlfriend, she's running us all, y'all. She is running us rampant in this house. No, but I love her. But yeah, she has her own little area at the foot of the bed, so I figure I could put this on here. It's rare that she has access, but she's had an accident before, or like when, you know, she went through her womanhood. So, you know, just having this on there, because she was spotting, so she was like taking her diaper off, so she really didn't want it on there. So just when she's laying on my bed, she could just, you know, lay on this instead of just a blanket. And yeah, y'all, this is my little mini haul of the things that I purchased, and I hope y'all guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.